Hey guys, it's Wax or Chris, and we're back for part 2 of the tutorial for the grid intro, and we're right where we left off. We made the grid on the back on the floor. We did the text, the gradient, the 3D features, and yeah, that's pretty much where we left off. Right. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a reflection as like a reflection, as if this was a mirror or like shiny. It'll give like that effect, and it isn't an effect, it's something you have to do manually, but it's not as hard as it sounds. It's pretty simple. So what we'll do is we'll go to, hold on, let me close this. We'll go to text, the thing you pre-composed, and double click on it, and this will appear. What you do with this, you click on the layer, you go to File, Edit, Duplicate, or just Control D, and there's the second copy. With this second copy, what you want to do is go to Transform and click this chain. What this chain does is it links it so they go like the same, but you want to unlink it. So then make this one -100. Now you can see it turned it over. We'll put it a bit closer to this. So, and what we'll do is we'll add an effect, which is called transition and linear wipe. Once you get linear wipe, the effect shows up here. Wipe angle, you want to put 0, and then this you see that it goes like, it cancels it off. You want to go like halfway-ish, and then the feather, you want to add some feather just so it like blurs out some. And then take some more away, feather a bit more. I think that looks good. Another thing you want to do is you want to go to Transform, Opacity. You want to put it down a bit. Perhaps 30, 35, 30. I think 30 looks good. So let's go back to pre-composed. And you'll notice that it doesn't show up. And this is sort of a bug in After Effects. I don't know why. If it's just the way After Effects works. It doesn't show up because the floor, is like blocking the reflection. So what you want to do is, I figured a way around this, and go to Layer, New, Adjustment Layer. Now, most of the times, adjustment layers are just for effects and things of that nature, or fade-ins, fade-outs, basic stuff. But if you don't do anything to it, and you just put it between the text and the green solid in between, look what happens. And I'm not sure why this is, but I don't know. Don't like whatever. So yeah, and it looks a little bit too light, so let's go back to this and let's make it a bit darker. Let's make it 45 maybe, perhaps even 50. It looks kind of dark here, but as you see here, maybe with like the green and everything, but that's the effect we want. So right now the intro is looking really good. What we could do is we could add some fade in. Let's get a new adjustment layer. Fade in, go to effects and presets, fade, and fade in over layer below, and put it to the adjustment layer 2, and then right here reset it, and turn opacity always, most of the times, is you have to put it at 0. And hold on, let's make this black. The reason that happens is it's kind of complicated, but there's a way around it. Yeah. Alright, so just make, if that happens to you, just go to color and make it black. Turn up the opacity. Keyframe the source opacity. Go to around 1.5. I always go around 1.5. I think it's what it looks best at. And 100. And there we have easy fade in. And now we'll just cut our work time to, right now I'll make it 14. If I need to cut it up more, then I'll do that. But I'll add a fade out as well to this. And fade out, reset, and go to around 12. Go to source opacity 0, make this black, source opacity, and make it 100% here, and then at the end, like right before the end, make it 0. 0. So you see this fade in, fade out. Alright, once we do that, what we'll add is some camera movements just to spice it up a bit. So we'll go to the camera we have and let's start moving it from the beginning. So once it starts fading in, you can see it moving already. So let's go to 0. Let's go to camera options. Transform. I always get those mixed up. Transform. Keyframe the position. And let's go like around 3. Zoom in a bit. Lift it higher. Just play around with what you like. I might want it a bit closer. That way it goes like that. And then right here, let's go to like 6. Let's just make it go like across to the other side. And oops. And it's black right there because it went over to the other side. But yeah, so let's see how it's looking. It goes right there, right there. And then for the last one, I think I'll do, just make it, let's see. Just make it go like this, but at the same time go up. Which one is it? Yeah, go up, go a little further away. And just go like around there. So let's see how it's looking. Fade in while it's moving in, go there, and then back away there. Since I ended a bit earlier, we'll just let's move it a bit more right here. Let's just make this go further out. That way it'll give me more time, like really far away there. So like that. Okay, and once we have that, let's cut our workspace again since we have extra. And let's go to adjustment layer effects. Let's go to the fade out. Let's grab those, put it around there. So while it's zooming out, it fades out. And that's how this grid intro will look like